it's a SRT, this ain't no Mazda. Hello, my bitch bad as hell. I'm just spraying off on me, my India. Bitch, remove. What do YouTube? It's your boy Bright, back with a new video. Today we are getting my Durango Srt, you know what I'm saying? About that time, you know what I'm saying? About to go to the dealership, get right. Look at the outfit today.
Yo, chest on my neck and my arm. Chest on my neck and my arm. Oh.
Well, saying goodbye to the Beamer. I wanted to miss this car, have some fun in it. We definitely had some fun in it with the guys. But we did get through, you know what I'm saying? Tight shit. Tight shit. You feel me? You did that way. You know what I'm saying? So, damn, this shit glossing too. This shit glossing too. Tight shit. I can't wait. Can't wait. Oh my gosh. I'm smiling right now. I'm smiling like this. And we plugged in with BT. No, we know Dre, you know what I'm saying? Dr. Dre, that's my cousin. Tight shit. Fuck you talking about, like. So we been out here. SRT shit. We been out here. You know what it be when we went Brody and them cousin them around, you know what I'm saying? Squad and them, phone them around. Shit. You feel me though? Like, Louis on me, SRT on me, Louis on me. Like, I got seats, I got rows on top of rows. I got fit my holes here. Can fit them back, so I can flip those seats up and get. All right, I'm back. Camera died on me, tight shit. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, can fit the holes back here too. Fuck you telling me, you know what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then me right here. 5, you know what I'm saying? I'm really out here doing shit for we are here, you know what I'm saying? We out here, tight shit, you feel me? Doing shit for real. Doing something right. Remember early in the year we couldn't even get the Beamer. Now I'm out here doing this. So doing something right, tight shit.
I'm just spraying off on me, my India.
Bitch, remove. Yeah, I hope you don't get no fucking ticket. You know, drive fast now, but you're alright. If BJ get this bitch, he ain't got no license.
YouTube, it's your boy Bright, back with no video.
What the fuck is up, YouTube?
Supposed to be getting a new tattoo today. We'll see as we go.
Everybody getting right.
Tattoo shop.
Sir.
Once the color goes on there.
Fucking, you know, the UNC's da-da-das. Pull up in the brand new da-da-das. Pull up in the brand new da-da-das. Bass Pros supporting them boys.
Oh yeah, we got the sponsorship.
Sponsorship, bro. You see what it is,
About to
man.
shoot the video in the full camo. We got the ghillie suit.
Yes.
We got the Broncos. We finna be out in a private location, out in the woods.
Heard that.
Shooting guns, fishing shit with my white
Hunting
people.
shit.
Hunting. We
You ready? Got the hunting boy right there. Where he at? See, look. You see, look at the hunting nigga. Look. Hey, come on. You finna hunt some shit? Gotta get you your Bass Pros gear, man. Do what we do. That
Not
real.
a damn. Get money.
Get money.
Smoke gas.
Smoke gas.
Get yatted.
Get yatted.
I ain't got nothing yet. I'm about to get some.
You see what it is. You know. Small things.
Big body yours.
Big
I know y'all
body
seen the
yours.
video. They tore out the yours.
Uh-huh.
Was on there, all that shit.
Yes, sir.
Dumbass niggas.
Dumbass
That's
nigga.
the real yours, nigga. The fake ass just Lamborghini.
Fuck you talking about?
What they talking
Fuck
about?
you.
Let me see that, bro.
Yes, sir. You see it, man.
Yang yang.
Trigger warning. Blood and gore.
That's hard.
That's that 777 shit.
VC about to get at it.
Yeah, I just left the VC store, bro. About to go crazy.
First tattoo. Look, he flexing for the camera. I see you.
After a while, I get used to it, bro.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Just don't flex.
Yeah, don't flex.
What? That's first tattoo. Already regrets it.
Slides.
I don't know y'all niggas Instagram. Reggie.ej6, bro. Well, I got you on the intro, bro. Yeah. This is your boy Reggie 56Ace with my dog Bright, Aquili, and you got Six Sack, you heard.
Nah, my government.
We out here in Melbourne, Cocoa Beach, Space Central, Cape Canaveral, whatever you want to call it, Space Coast. Living the life, you already know. That's how we do it on our days off, man.
Camera get it. Yeah. That shit's in the. Here's your phone, bro.
Niggas get their phones.
Act natural here.
Niggas said act
Oh, should I dropped it.
It's like I want to go into where the shade is, but there's no shade around. So it don't matter where I go. My homeboy should be pulling up. If he do, I'm gonna drop his ass off. Even though he played varsity basketball, and I didn't play basketball for any teams, none of that shit. I'm better than him at 2K, so I'm gonna win. Even if I lose, I win. So I don't get no fuck.
I want you to go left.
Bro!
I thought I missed. I was about to get tight.
Yeah, it's not recording.
It better be recorded.
Nah, chill.
Hey.
Alright, y'all. Y'all ain't see the ending, but I won.
What?
Hold on.
But I won.
Hold on,
You know what I'm saying? So, y'all see me just
Don't
win.
even try. Y'all seen the score already.
Y'all see I won tight shit, so. Y'all know. Bro, I hate when my hair is freaking in a ponytail. But, you know what I'm saying? All love and war, fair game. How does that shit go?
All's fair in love and war with him.
Yeah, there you go.